Teachers, if you're spending hours planning, summarizing, and creating resources, you need to see this. NotebookLM is an AI tool from Google that helps you work with your own materials, like lesson plans, articles, standards, notes, and more. Think of it like having an AI assistant that only reads your teaching materials and helps you turn them into summaries, questions, study guides, and lessons. Here are some powerful ways teachers are using NotebookLM. The best part of this is that answers are based only on what you uploaded, so it actually stays aligned to what you're teaching. Let me show you how to get started in just a few steps. Go to NotebookLM and sign in with your Google account, or click the 9.Google app launcher and find NotebookLM there. Next, click Create New Notebook. You can create one for a class, an unit, a book study, or any topic you're teaching. Then add your sources. You can upload things like PDFs, Google Docs, slides, websites, notes, and other teaching materials. Then create a prompt, and it will only use the materials you placed in your notebook. Here are 10 powerful go-to prompts for teachers. Or use the ready-to-go prompts in the studio on the right side. Here is an example of how easy it is. I uploaded a PDF of a lesson and will use the prompt on the side to create slides on it. Done. How easy is that? NotebookLM helps you work smarter, not harder, so you can focus on what actually matters, your students.